Welcome friends, I Anuj Singh. I welcome all of you on behalf of Friends Study channel. Today, today's video is a part of our series of GD lecturate for SSB interviews, for especially for officer aspirants. And today's topic for lecturate is India-Pakistan relations or views on terrorism. So let's start the today video. Here, firstly, we will discuss about the background of problem. In every video I always discuss things in a very key points because of the memory purpose. It's very easy to memorize these key points in lecture timing. So as we previous concerned or discuss about the process of lecture is basically consists of two parts. 3 minutes given to you by assessors for the preparation of your topic, and in which he gave you a play card of in which a four topic contain. You have to select one according to your knowledge or on your preparation. You select one topic from that and prepare for 3 minutes, and 3 minutes for your presentation or can say for lecturate. Okay, in front of your group members in GTO task. So let us start today's topic. So problem start after the creation of both nations. In 1947, India and Pakistan creation and both nation created. After India and Pakistan went through or can say involvement in many wars, and Pakistan always try proxy wars in recent years. One can say from 70s he is trying in terms of proxies and conflicts. It is the famous the creation of Bangladesh, the war of 1971. Bangladesh was a part of East Pakistan, and after the Kashmir issue, and list is many more. So we start first understand from the soldier's point of view what soldier wants from India or Pakistan. All soldiers want peace, and this is an undisputable fact. They want peace because they are the one who die in the war first. And we have been in a state of war with Pakistan from 70 years. Sometimes the war was conducted from behind the veils of plausible deniability through proxies that I previously concerned, especially in 70s and 89 conflicts. And in the recent the 26/11, 26/11 terrorist attack and the terrorist strike on Pathankot base, Uri base are fresh in our memory, all planned and financed and directed from Pakistan and funded by China. It's very easy to say. And thereafter we took very decisive action in 1971 after recognizing Pakistan as an existential threat for India. That year Pakistan army, the great protector of citadel of Islam, surrendered to Indian army. So in picture you can easily see the color General Niazi of Pakistan sign and surrender to General Jagdish Singh Arora Sahab. So, and this next picture is on the Indian soldiers on tank after 1970 war winning. You can see easily. So, as I concern, we are in state of war and proxy with Pakistan from 70 years. Thereafter took decisive action in 1971. And one thing, some say the people to people contact in the relation part. If some say the Indo-Pak relation, we have to be work on that. So I want to say the first people to people contact may grow, but it will never stop terror. And our previous government made a huge mistake by believing friendly cards. And one thing, according to our last key point, the Pakistan power structure, The people of Pakistan have no saying in their own destiny. The Pakistan army will not stop jihad against India because in Pakistan power structure, no one is higher than the army. They are everything. They are ruling politically, economically, everything. They have a full power. And for 7 decades, they have flourished unsupervised for in terms of politics, especially in terms of politics, and can say then governmental. And for a anecdote by Major Gaurav Arya, you periodically mow your lawn and cut the grass. It's not grass fault. कहने का मतलब है आपकी जो लॉन में घास उग जाती है तो ये घास हमारे लिए पाकिस्तान आर्मी है, या कह सकते हैं कि ये आतंकवादी हैं जो हमारी सीमा में घुस के आ जाते हैं। तो जैसे हम घास को काटते हैं लेकिन इसमें घास का कोई फॉल्ट नहीं होता। आतंकवादियों का कोई फॉल्ट नहीं, बिकॉज वो इंस्पायर्ड हैं, वो फंडेड हैं पाकिस्तान से, चाइना से। सो when you wait for the Pakistan to attack and then plan retaliation, रिटेलिएशन माने होता है एक मिलिट्री टर्म। रिटेलिएशन इसका मतलब है कि बदला लेना। हम पर जब पहले कोई हमला होता है तो वो सेना उसका बदला लेने के लिए दूसरा हमला, जवाबी कार्रवाई करती है, उसे कहते हैं रिटेलिएशन। एंड सो then if you plan retaliation, then you are just allowing the grass to grow. In previous question I said about the lawn and the grass, and so it's related that. And in this picture I show you this part, the Aksai Chin part. You can easily see the Aksai Chin part. uh, Aksai Chin is occupied by China. From there you can easily see, and this is our Indian occupied Kashmir, our Kashmir, and this is the POK, the northern area of Kashmir. We can say this is by POK. This is POK. Okay, this is the India, Pakistan, China disputed territory, you can say area map hai. Okay, so let's move to next slide. From solution point of view, firstly we need a strong political will, and the Pakistan army should be attacked without provocations in small size actions across the LOC, as previous actions by our forces like surgical strikes and many more. So, and never allowing things to get out of hand, and yet always drawing first blood. And the strategy should be seize the initiative and keep hammering the Pakistan army periodically. This is the practical solution for this. And to keep them so preoccupied counting their losses, the Pakistani army soldiers' losses and the terror losses, that they have little will to pursue the greater romantic nation of jihad. And from our internal solution part, firstly we have to strengthen the intelligence part, because intelligence is very crucial in this. And today is a time of information tech war, like as Pakistan ISPR. We have to create a team, or can say a department of Indian ISPR equal to Indian ISPR, so you uh, can handle the Pakistani information technology or any other from a digital level, because they influence very pathetically. So this is, I think, the best solution I contain this video. You can memorize these term keywords for your lecture, so easily you can speak on that topics. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and subscribe the channel for latest update, and please click the bell icon for next videos. Thank you very much.